Ila f'pajjiżna mill-1971 u hawn sabet il-post ideali biex tkompli jissaħħaħ il-produttività. Is-suċċessi u r-riżultati li kisbet il-kumpanija Playmobil fl-aħħar snin issa wasluha biex tinvesti 30 miljun euro oħra. Investiment li se jissarraf biex il-kumpanija testendi fuq 16,000 metru kwadru. Dan tħabbar waqt żjara li għamel il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat fejn seta' josserva l-proċess li bih issir il-produzzjoni ta' prodotti ikoniċi. Huwa investiment ambizzjuż li se jwassal biex joħloq 200 impjieg ġdid. Il-kap eżekuttiv tal-Playmobil Mattias Fawzers qal li dan ma setax ikun possibbli kieku ma kienx hemm l-għajnuna tal-Malta Enterprise, Malta Industrial Parks u kooperazzjoni mill-Gvern.
We got good support from Malta Enterprise and Malta Industrial Parks, mainly from these two, because these are related to the industry. Obviously, we had a very fast decision to be taken. We have to be fast in time. They understood our needs, so we got a place next to our existing factory, which will be there, sort of which it had to be within our boundaries. So all that was achieved in no time, sort of. They understood that we can't be the long bureaucratic way. We need to have a fast decision and we need to start fast.
Deċiżjoni li kienet ġirja kontra l-ħin f'ambjent fejn il-kompetizzjoni fuq livell internazzjonali qed tkompli tiħrax. Fawzers żied jgħid li Malta huwa l-post ideali biex il-kumpanija tkompli tespandi u tikkonċentra iżjed fil-produzzjoni ta' prodott li d-domanda għalih qed tiżdied sena wara oħra.
We had various options. We have Malta, which is a long-established plant. We have other key players, which I mentioned earlier, which is Germany, Czech Republic, and Spain. So in the other plants, we might have as well some growth, but here, as I mentioned earlier, the Playmobil figure is only produced in Malta. And the decision was taken by our board. So there is a belief in Malta that sort of we can continue with the figure production solely in Malta, and that obviously means then we need to cater for a growth. So it was related to the figure production mainly.
Il-parti l-ġdida se tara makkinarju mill-aktar modern li se jżid l-effiċjenza tal-kumpanija. Il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat qabel l-investiment tal-Playmobil ma' investimenti oħra li kienu inawgurati aktar kmieni din is-sena bħal dak tal-kumpanija ewro. Ir-rimarka kif il-Playmobil kienet dejjem pioniera fil-qasam tal-manifattura b'Jannar ta' din is-sena irreġistrat profitt. Joseph Muscat tenna jgħid li l-qudiem se naraw iżjed inizjattivi simili.
Tħabbir ta' investiment ta' 30 miljun li ħajoħloq mill-inqas 200 post ta' xogħol ġdid u fil-jiem li ġejjin ħankomplu nħabbru aktar inizjattivi li mhux talli in-negozju ħajjieħu sinjal tajjeb ħalli ħajjieħu sinjal tajjeb ħafna biex jibqa' miexi il-qudiem.